What's up, y'all?
So, it's like, how many degrees outside? It's 96 degrees outside. So, I think we decided to like go to a spontaneous beach trip.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that'll be fun. It's gonna be an hour away from us. And then we're probably gonna go to the store to buy some beach essentials, like food, drinks, ices.
Yeah.
And we're just gonna chill today.
Yeah, it's gonna be a chill day.
Yeah.
I don't have work today, which is great. So we got the cooler ready.
Yeah.
We got the fit ready. I got the pineapple trunks. And yeah, we're just gonna go. We're gonna hang out. And yeah, come along.
Yeah.
Welcome to Taco Bell. Are you checking in with your mobile app to earn rewards points?
No, not today.
What's in here, bro?
Can I get 3 crunchy taco supreme
Okay.
with Diablo sauce?
And then nacho fries.
Can I also get nacho fries as well?
Regular large.
Large.
Yeah. So we're at Walmart right now trying to buy some beach gear. Yeah, and then after this we're gonna head out to the beach.
So far we got a chair.
Yeah.
A chair
That's
and
for
2 beach towels.
and 2 beach towels. That matches here. Yeah. Alright, we just got the goods, but we couldn't find any umbrella, but it's okay. I think I'll be okay. I think I'll be okay. So we're on the way officially to the beach now. And while we're on the way, we're thinking about like doing a pregnancy update for you guys. So right now I'm 24 weeks. So I'm like in my 6th month. Tomorrow actually I'm gonna be 25 weeks. We're doing the gestational diabetes test next week. But right now, how do I feel on my 2nd trimester, my 6th month? So the symptoms that I'm feeling right now is I still feel a little tired, not as tired as my 1st trimester. And what else? Oh, I'm having sciatica. So it's not too bad, but once I do some stretches, it relieves some of the pain. But yeah, I think those are the main things that I feel this 2nd trimester. Oh, also baby has been kicking a lot. We've been feeling his kicks so much. Like sometimes the whole day, like I feel it. So which is very, very nice. Even had a chance to capture it in a video, which is really nice because before, while he's kicking, when I try to like record it, he just stops. But this time around, he's not camera shy anymore. So which is nice. But yeah, I think that's.
You got the feel.
Oh yeah. My sister-in-law Steffi, she was able to feel it, and Mike's best friend Ashley, she was also able to feel it. So which is really, really nice. I'm very excited. So I'm happy about that. And getting this bump. But my bump is bumping now. It's not just a food bump anymore. It's getting big, like guys. Like it's really getting big. You don't even know. I can't even fit any of my pants anymore that I just got like a month and 2 months ago. So, but yeah, that's the update. And then by next month, I'll be in my 3rd trimester, which is crazy. That was so quick. Like, it was so quick. I really enjoyed my first and second trimester. I feel like I'm very blessed that my first and second trimester was really smooth. Like, really, really smooth. So, I'm just grateful. But, yep, that's the update.
Ready.